In this video, I have shown step-by-step makeup tutorial for online teachers and trainers. The big secret is towards the end, so do watch the complete video. Also, why you should wear makeup when you are just visible online. Let's go ahead and watch. Namaskar, I'm Lata Sabharwal and thank you so much for watching my channel Life Influence. If you like my videos, then please hit the subscribe button below. Makes you more confident, makes you feel happy, and when you feel happy, you feel positive, and when you feel positive, you spread the positivity across to your students, so you connect with your students in a better way. Makeup is a big feel-good factor. It lifts your mood instantly. You look attractive on screen, and it's always good to look attractive. You can create your own personal style with the help of makeup. Maybe by the shades of lipstick you wear, or by the kind of kohl or kajal you wear, or the kind of liner you wear, or a bindi in an Indian scenario. So you can choose your own personal style, and students always remember their trainers or their teachers' personal style. So let's begin with natural makeup. Sunscreen is a must even if you are at home. So if you have a flawless skin, you do not need to wear any thick base or any thick foundation. Just a tinted primer would do the work. This is the one which I prefer using. But if you have little flaws on your skin, then you can go for a very thin layer of foundation, a very natural one. I prefer using either this, a CC cream, or a BB cream. So we'll go ahead with a CC cream in this video. Post dabbing the eyes, I'll just blend it completely on the full face. This kind of blending gives a very natural look. I highly recommend using a translucent powder instead of a compact because compact gives quite a cakey look. So these are two of my favorite powders, or you can use this one. This is white and this one is yellow in color. We'll go for this one right now. Eyebrows. For your eyes, you can either use a liquid liner like this one or a kajal pencil like this one. I prefer using a kajal pencil. Mascara is optional, but I highly recommend it. A hint of a blush on. Now lipstick outline is also optional, but if you want, you can go for it. A very natural shade. And now very natural shade of lipstick. I always recommend that you wear lipstick with a brush, but if you are in a real hurry, then you can wear it directly. And you are ready. Once you get into the practice, this makeup will not take more than 5 to 7 minutes. Hair should be neatly tied back in a bun or a ponytail. Finally, smile. That is the best makeup you can wear. But your smile can be enhanced with a little natural makeup. Now the big secret is that if all your visual elements, that is your clothing, your grooming, which includes your makeup, and your body language are included, it constitutes 80% of your visual communication. It means that your communication is 80% visual. Okay, so the big news is that try this makeup, send me your pictures to lata.seth@gmail.com. We'll select one lucky winner and I'll be sending you a personalized makeup kit for yourself.